In the following section, we will explain in detail to you the differences between analog and IP and the DVR versus the NVR. What is the difference between CCTV and an IP surveillance system? The fundamental equipment and wiring of the two systems is very different. A CCTV system basically includes the following things: analog cameras, a DVR, coaxial cable, a TV monitor, and/or a matrix. On the other side, we see the IP surveillance system, and it includes an IP camera, PC with management software commonly called an NVR or network video recorder, Category 5 cable or better, a switch and/or router. In a CCTV system, the most popular application for recording is a DVR system. In IP surveillance systems, the core recording engine is an NVR, which is a network video recorder. So what is the difference? A DVR is a system that is used in a single site recording and has control management software. Under this architecture, what the analog camera does is focus on capturing images, but then all the digitization and compression is done by the DVR and its capture boards. To connect a DVR with analog cameras, the cable used is coaxial cable. On the other hand, in an IP surveillance system, we use a NVR for both the IP camera installation local sites and remote sites for recording, real-time monitoring and managing of video all at the same time. The NVR does not digitize and do compression, because all the compression is done by the IP camera itself. The IP camera is connected to the internal network switch or hub that is also connected to the internet by only one cable. These cameras can use wireless access points also to be connected to the network. Trying new things can often become more productive and cost-effective solutions for your clients. Using an existing wiring structure like their existing network can be one of these solutions. Let's talk about the DVR architecture a bit further. We all know that a DVR can do digitalization, compression, and recording. However, have you ever thought about if there are any limitations to a DVR system? Let's think about it by asking a few questions. Is multi-site real-time preview possible? Is multi-site controlling possible? Is multi-site recording possible? For example, if I have two speed domes and a DVR at an office in Houston, can I have access to the DVR and do real-time monitoring here? Also, can my manager control the pan-tilt zoom through his PDA while on the road? Or can the IT department do backup recording in our office in California? How about all at the same time? The answer is not likely. Or maybe yes, but under lots of limitations. In this case, if you want to achieve those requests, you should think about using an IP surveillance solution as it has the flexibility that is already in place. Now, let us look at the NVR architecture and quickly ask ourselves those questions again. First, is multi-site real-time preview possible? Yes, users in the remote site can easily have access to the NVR server and get the real-time video streams through the web client, which means I will be able to see the live view no matter whether my camera installation site is in Thailand or in Japan. Second, is multi-site controlling possible? Yes. In addition to the live view capability, users at the remote site can also control functions such as pan-tilt zoom or digital input, digital output of the camera through the NVR in real time. Finally, is multi-site recording possible? Yes. Users can have the NVR server record all of the video streams in both the camera installation site and the remote control center. In case of any type of loss of recording that could happen in one site, you can always have a backup record for references in a completely different location.